Hello. Oh, I can't believe they've ate those piles already. Hi. I want to show people something. You know, I think I'm gonna pluck these sons of bitches too. Look, 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 look. Look, it is orange this time. Cool. The tiger lilies I grew up with. Yay. I don't know why no other one could come up. See, and they used to be all over here. But, they don't get enough sunlight. I thought I just saw a squirrel. I want something else. I want to show you something else too. Hold up. Let's teleport. Look! They bloomed. God, they're cool. Look how perfect. I love them. Yeah, last year there was only like 2 or 3 roses. Uh-oh. I lost my almond. Yeah, there's a bug. Oh my goodness, I got rain on the phone. And the skunk burrow is right there. Okay, yeah, there's all kinds of wetness on the phone now. Hold on. Hey, Katie. My hand's still numb. It's weird. How to tell if you got spoiled squirrels is when you have piles out and they still come to your door. Uh-oh. I heard the squirrely squeaks. Hello. Where's the other one? There you go. No, that's the cat. Oh, there he is. Digging in the pile. Okay. Oh. Come on. Don't be scared. See, watch the spoiled. See? Hold on, silly. You lost the almond. Whoops. I'll take these things back then. And we'll try it on the next squirrel. Shouldn't be long. There's one now. There's one now. Hello. First the Nana. You gonna keep it? And you want a peanut too? You want this, don't you? It's the almond. Here it is. Here's the banana. Hello. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold up. Let me get a peanut. Whoa. You can't just come barging in, silly. You acting like you own the place. Okay, I might get my next peanut ready. Did I just drop an almond? I think that I did. But I don't know where. It's okay though. Here's another one. Hello? Anyone there? Show yourself. Come out wherever you are. I'm going to find you. Okay, now we wait. Ah! I found the one I dropped. It wasn't an almond after all. Oh, shit. As soon as I stand, it happens all the time. Oh, slow down. I wonder whatever happened to that one squirrely neighbor that lives in Washington. They sit outside and feed the squirrels. And I have other subscribers that feed the squirrels too. They are squirrely neighbors through and through. And much respect to all of them. And, yeah, they're able to sit out there. And the ones that can pet the squirrels, oh my God, does it make me jelly. But being able to sit out there too, I'm out there sometimes, but I can't be out there all the time because sometimes you never know when a squirrel is gonna get spooked by another squirrel or one of these cats. I need the door for protection. These squirrels get vicious. So yeah, I need the door for protection a lot of times. I mean, you've seen them. They'll come right in the house. They've got in here before, and you know what they do? They head straight for the plants. Speaking of plants, I got a new one that probably needs to be watered. That's what I could do while I'm waiting. Yeah, hold up. Wait. You want to see it? Hold up. Oh. Okay. I'll go get it. See? I like it. I didn't like them that they put it in a glass, though. I do like how big it is. Yep. Okay. Damn thing is getting heavy. See, they'll come right in here if I let them. Don't forget that one. Hi. Okay. There's one. Are you hiding a squirrely treasure? Or are you eating? Who knows? I see him coming down the tree. Oh, the rain is so peaceful. I need to just pull up one of them carrots and see what I get. Huh. I think I should. I really, really want to. Just yesterday I put some more Miracle Grow on them. So maybe I ought to give it a couple days. I don't know. I don't want no parasites in there eating them. Cutie patootie. Are you guys smiling yet? I mean, if every good day starts with a smile, why would someone not want to seek out those smiles to try to ensure themselves that they are going to have a good day? Animals are good at making people smile too. Look at that flooding right there. That kind of worries me. I think I need to move that plant. Yeah, I'm going to move it. Hold up. My God, it felt like it took me forever to dry off. I grabbed it and I scooted it. Well, I guess you can see better when I stood up. I scooted it onto that concrete circle. That's just like that concrete circle. That way it's up out the puddle. It's my marigolds. I wouldn't want to drown them. But yeah, they were right in that damn puddle. Can't have that. That puddle has been there all my life. It dribbles from the corner of the awning. The grass has started growing right there, though. It's really weird. You can't tell now, though, of course. Well, the rain, I guess, has the squirrels staying in their nest. I'm gonna put another pile on the step, though. Well, on the block, I don't know. It might be safe there. My spots, it gets a little wet, but for the most part, there's some pretty good spots for the piles. But I know right here on the step is safe. See, they get all kinds of stuff. There's pumpkin seeds in there too. They're incredibly spoiled here. So, yeah, the rest I think I'll wait till the rain stops. Wait for it to die down. There's cranberries, the craisins and raisins. There's the purple raisins and the yellow raisins. Tree nut seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, banana chips, regular peanuts, cashews, almonds. I even give them Brazil nuts and pecans and whatnot. I wish I knew where there was a damn acorn tree around here. Look at the clock. I gotta go. It's been real. You want to be a squirrely neighbor, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned, as the saga always continues here at the Peanut Butter House, where we keep it real. So, yeah. We keep it real because we don't run off the script. I can't train these little boogers. They're outside wild animals. Alright, we out. Been real. Oh, and knowing there's people out there that love animals as much as me warms the cockles of my heart.